Whether you have a favorite bag or you want to make a bag, I'm going to show you how to waterproof it, make it more durable and easy to clean up. The neat thing about this technique is not only is it durable, but it has a fabulous finish. What you're going to need is a place to put your project, and I'm doing my piece before I've assembled it. You're going to need some heat and bond liquid vinyl and a foam brush. First step is we layer it on here. Get yourself a nice even coat on here, and then we have to wait 30 minutes for it to dry for the next step. Now that our product has dried for 30 minutes, we're going to use an applique pressing sheet. I actually have two, so I've got one on the bottom. I'm gonna put the other one on the top. If you only have one, it's more important on the top than the bottom. Then you're gonna take your iron, and we're just gonna press. This is gonna help to set that surface. The first layer of liquid vinyl makes this fabric water and stain resistant. If you want it to be waterproof, you need to add a second layer, which is what I'm gonna do as soon as I finish pressing this out. Now that we've finished the second coat, I'm gonna set the timer for 30 minutes and then we'll be back to iron again. And just like before, we're going to use the same pressing cloth and press to set this in. Now we're gonna do the third coat, the final coat. I like 3 coats because it's durable and has a semi-gloss finish. So after this sets for another 30 minutes, we'll do that final press and then let it cure for 24 hours before you start sewing with your fabric. We've now finished our third pressing. I wanted to show you the difference between the original fabric and what our fabric now looks like. It has a different texture, a different feel. So then you're ready, after that 24-hour curing process, you're ready to sew your amazing waterproof bag. I'm gonna give you 2 hints. First of all, use a sharp needle. Use a needle that is the smallest needle that you can possibly use for your thread. Make sure it matches your thread. And then also try a Teflon foot to help that glide through. Good luck sewing on your new vinyl project. If you have any questions or need some help, contact us here at Nebraska Quilt Company.